Imagine a cruise ship so revolutionary it lets you race down the ocean's fastest roller coaster waterslide hybrid while sipping cocktails in an infinity pool overlooking the stars. Welcome to Norwegian Luna 2026, where luxury meets adrenaline, but at what cost to your wallet?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into cruises that push the boundaries of fun, luxury, and just plain craziness, you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into Norwegian Cruise Line's latest masterpiece, the Norwegian Luna, set to hit the waves in 2026. This isn't your grandma's cruise ship. It's a floating resort packed with features that are equal parts mind-blowing and wallet-testing. Sailing from Miami to Caribbean hotspots like Roatan, Cozumel, and Great Stirrup Cay, this Prima Plus class ship is 1,056 feet long, weighs in at 156,300 gross tons, and can host up to 3,565 guests. But what really sets it apart are the insane amenities that make you go, "Whoa, I need this, but can I afford it?" We're counting down the top 10 most insane features on the Norwegian Luna, starting from number 10 and building up to the absolute showstopper at number 1. For each one, I'll break down what it is, why it's totally mind-blowing, and why it might just break the bank. Because, let's be real, these upgrades come with a price tag that could fund a small island vacation on their own. Let's jump in.
Number 10. Expanded outdoor pool seating and la terrazza. First up, the Norwegian Luna takes lounging to a whole new level with its expanded pool areas and the exclusive La Terrazza enclave. Picture plush daybeds scattered around massive pools where you can soak up the sun or stargaze at night without fighting for space. La Terrazza is this cozy Italian-inspired spot with comfy seating, perfect for chilling with a book or a cocktail as the ocean breeze rolls in. Why is this mind-blowing? In a world where cruise pools are often overcrowded sardine tins, Luna gives you that resort-like exclusivity, making you feel like you're on a private yacht. But it'll break the bank, because access to premium spots like this often requires upgrading to higher cabin categories or paying extra for day passes. Think $50 to $100 per person just to snag a prime spot, on top of your cruise fare that starts around $1,500 per person for a week. Number 9. Observation Lounge with Panoramic Views. Sliding into number 9 is the stunning Observation Lounge, a massive glass-walled haven at the front of the ship, offering 360-degree views of the ocean, sunrises, and whatever paradise you're sailing toward. It's decked out with comfy seating, bar service, and even quiet zones for reading or working, if you must. What makes it insane? On a ship this big, having a front row seat to the horizon feels like you're captaining your own adventure, especially during those golden hour Caribbean sunsets. The mind-blow factor comes from how it blends indoor comfort with outdoor vibes. But the bank breaker? While it's included, the drinks and snacks here aren't cheap. Signature cocktails run $15 plus, and if you're in a basic cabin, you might miss out on the VIP feels that come with suite access, pushing you to splurge on upgrades costing hundreds more. Number 8. Infinity Beach and Ocean Swimming. At number 8, we've got Infinity Beach, where you literally swim on top of the ocean. This innovative area features infinity-edge pools that blend seamlessly with the sea, giving you that illusion of floating endlessly. Paired with expanded seating and al fresco vibes, it's like having your own private beach at sea. Why does this blow your mind? Imagine dipping into crystal-clear water while the ship's wake trails behind. It's pure escapism, especially on those warm Caribbean days. But breaking the bank? These spots can get crowded unless you pay for Vibe Beach Club access nearby. More on that later. And with cruise prices already climbing to $2,000 plus for balcony rooms, adding poolside perks could tack on another $200 to $300 for exclusivity. Number 7. Solo staterooms. Inside, ocean view, and balcony. Number 7 is a game changer for lone wolves, the Norwegian Luna's dedicated solo staterooms.
These come in 3 flavors: cozy insides for budget travelers, ocean views for that porthole peak, and full balconies for fresh air and privacy. Plus, there's access to the studio lounge for mingling with other solos and a dedicated host to organize events. What's mind-blowing here? Solo cruising used to mean paying double for a room, but Luna makes it affordable and social with luxury options across decks. It's empowering for independent travelers. The bank breaker? While solos avoid the single supplement, saving you 50 to 100% compared to regular rooms, premium balcony solos start at $1,800 plus, and lounge perks might encourage extra spending on drinks or excursions, easily adding $500 to your tab.
Number 6. Vibe Beach Club, Adults Only Retreat. Coming in at number 6 is the Vibe Beach Club, an exclusive adults-only oasis with ocean views, oversized hot tubs, plush loungers, and little luxuries like chilled towels and fruit skewers. It's your escape from the family crowds, perfect for reading, napping, or just vibing with a piña colada. Why is this insane? In the chaos of a massive ship, having a serene 18-plus zone feels like a personal spa day at sea. Total relaxation recharge. Mind-blowing for couples or solo relaxers, but it'll break the bank because access is limited and costs extra. Day passes are around $99, or full cruise passes hit $229 per person. That's on top of your base fare, making it a splurge for that child-free bliss. Number 5. Ocean Boulevard, the massive promenade. Halfway through at number 5 is Ocean Boulevard, a whopping 46,000 square foot outdoor promenade wrapping around the ship. It's lined with al fresco dining spots, bars, walking paths, and even art installations, letting you stroll, eat, and drink with the sea at your side. What blows your mind, this isn't just a deck, it's a vibrant boulevard where you can go from breakfast tacos to sunset cocktails without ever going inside. The open-air freedom is next-level immersive. Bank breaker alert. While walking is free, the premium dining and bars here charge a la carte, with meals easily $50 per person. Factor in the ship's higher starting prices, $1,200 plus for insides, and those impulse spends add up fast.
Number 4. Entertainment lineup. From glow parties to mixed reality shows. Number 4 turns up the fun with Norwegian Luna's killer entertainment. Think world-class Broadway-style shows, live music, comedy nights, immersive storytelling, and themed events like the Eclipse Party Glow Night or Planet Disco Retro Dance-Offs. There's even a reimagined first night show to kick things off. Why mind-blowing? It's like having a Vegas Strip on water. Mixed reality tech blends digital effects with live performers for jaw-dropping spectacles you won't find on older ships. Perfect for night owls. But breaking the bank? While main shows are included, specialty venues or VIP seating can cost $20 to $50 extra, and with drinks flowing at $12 a pop, a fun night could set you back $100 easily.
Number 3. The Aqua Slide Coaster, Thrill Ride at Sea. Bronze medal at number 3 goes to the Aqua Slide Coaster, a hybrid water slide roller coaster that's the longest and fastest at sea. Twist and turn around the ship's exterior, splashing through tubes and drops with ocean views whipping by. What makes it insane? Adrenaline junkies, this is your dream, combining coaster speed with water fun for a heart-pounding rush that's unique to NCL's Prima ships. Mind-blowing for families or thrill seekers. The bank breaker? It's included, but to avoid long lines, you might upgrade to free-at-sea packages, adding $200 to $300 to your fare, or splurge on faster access passes, turning a free feature into an expensive must-do. Number 2. The Haven, largest luxury complex at sea. Runner-up at number 2 is The Haven, Norwegian Luna's ship-within-a-ship luxury enclave with 123 suites, the biggest in the fleet. It includes a private sun deck, infinity pool overlooking the stern, outdoor spa with glass-walled sauna and cold room, 2 hot tubs, a lounge, and bar with rare spirits, plus 24/7 butler service and concierge. Why blow your mind? This is elite-level pampering. Feel like a celebrity with exclusive access and perks that make the rest of the ship feel basic. Insane for those craving ultimate indulgence. But it'll absolutely break the bank. Haven suites start at $4,000 per person,
double the standard rate, with all those extras justifying the premium but hitting your wallet hard.
Number 1. 3-bedroom duplex Haven Suites. And the top spot, number 1, goes to the all-new 3-bedroom duplex Haven Suites. These 2-story marvels feature separate living and dining areas, 3 bathrooms, massive balconies, and enough space for families or groups to spread out in style. Located in the Haven, they come with all the complex's perks, like butler service and private pools. What makes this the most insane? It's like having a floating penthouse. Luxury redefined for multi-generational trips or splurge-worthy getaways, with views and amenities that scream opulence. Mind-blowing because it's a first for NCL, blending home comforts with sea adventure. The ultimate bank breaker? These suites can cost $10,000 per person for a week, making them a feature that'll either make your vacation legendary or leave you budgeting for months. Whew, that's a lot of awesomeness packed into one ship. Norwegian Luna 2026 is shaping up to be a game-changer for cruising, blending thrills, luxury, and innovation in ways that truly blow your mind.
So there you have it, the top 10 insane features on the Norwegian Luna that could redefine your next vacation, but might require a second job to afford. From adrenaline-pumping slides to ultra-luxe suites, this ship is all about creating unforgettable moments under the sun, moon, and stars. If you're as excited as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more cruise deep dives, and drop a comment below. Which feature would blow your mind the most? Or if you're ready to book, check out Norwegian Cruise Line's site for those 2026 sailings. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next wave.